Good day, everyone. Jonathan Sarr, the Juvo Hub podcast. We're learning leads. Thank you to all of our subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome. This series is focused on the operational future when it comes to property management. And last episode, we talked about a skills-based approach to hiring. Today's episode, this is the second in this series, is talking about artificial intelligence, human-centric skills, the human premium. Now, for those who are looking for work, or you may be looking at your job right now and seeing all these AI type solutions coming into the workplace, and the big fear factor out there is, oh no, AI is going to replace our leasing professional. AI is going to replace our maintenance tasks or our work orders, and it's going to replace this person or this part of the job. And so there's a lot of conversation out there about what AI may do when it comes to the workforce within property management. And there is a measure of truth to it. There absolutely. I mean, that is part of the goals behind artificial intelligence agents and what they can do in order to streamline and simplify work. But that's where you have to think of what is the human premium. What makes you indispensable? What does an AI do, and what does an AI not do that makes you so valuable? So to me, the skill that is the future is someone who is a competent professional, but can demonstrate their ability to use AI tools to simplify their work. That's a win. One of the biggest learning curves is actually seeing how that can help with your work. So let's walk back a few decades. What was the skill everyone was looking for? So when we moved into a more of a computer-based office environment, one of the skills that separated was, do you know Microsoft Office? Do you know Windows? I'm dating myself a lot, but that was the pivotal change in what would or would not qualify someone for a job. With someone who had that skill, ooh, wow, that's someone who can come in here and use the tools that we have. So that is, to me, that's exactly where we're at right now. Someone who knows how to use the tools versus someone who does not know how to use the tools. And even if, and it's happening, your company is employing agents, making agents, using it to replace certain workflows, et cetera, you need to document what that human approach does to your community. Document it. Be aware of it. Make sure that as an organization, you have that clear separating line. We don't want an AI to take over that one-on-one interaction. It has its limits. It can manage a lot of real-time conversation, but in the end, it is not the tool that makes things personal between you, that prospect, and that resident. So just think of the human premium. Let AI handle the data, and you handle the heart. That's the focus. So episode 2 of our series on the operational future of property management. We appreciate you being here. Take care, everyone.